Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you being here. If this is your first time here, welcome to Lone Cowboy Adventures. I'm Ken. The last video we talked about my seat and how it is really starting to take a toll. And I appreciate all the emails and the comments on the last video, suggestions and whatnot. But I did get a couple of things, and we will show you here in just a minute as soon as I get the seat off, and we'll bring it over here to the table. I haven't even opened the packaging yet. Well, the one product I did. So we're going to give this a try. All right, everybody, as you can see, I got the seat off. I got it over here on top of a AMSOIL box. And yes, I ordered some AMSOIL 3-hole oil kit, and I actually got it in the, it was actually pretty quick. But what I did get was some leather, some black leather repair patch stuff. It comes in a roll. I actually got it off Amazon, and I'll try and leave the Amazon store right here, and maybe try to leave a link in the description. But as I talked earlier, I'm trying to let this last till we go to Sturgis and get the seat totally rebuilt, instead of buying a $1,200, $1,500 seat. And breaking that in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some of this and get it to fit, and then I have another thing to put over the seat. So let's get busy. Now what I'm going to do is just I'm going to put one big patch along here, and it's pretty convenient because it has graph paper on there, and you actually cut it and then you peel it. And so yeah, I'm actually going to overlap around the edge of the seat here, and then I'll probably cut a mark there, and then actually cut a patch out of here, like so. Keep in mind, I am not a professional. I used to have a pair of scissors out here in my toolbox, and I don't know where they went. So basically, that's what it's going to be. Now I'm guessing that from sliding on and off the bike and whatnot, that's probably what kind of caused that. So I'm going to try and keep it a little bit bigger than what it needs to be, and then we'll I guess you just peel that off. And I probably should, yeah, I'm going to cut this part off here. That does not have the adhesive on it. Let me get this pressed on. I'll be back with you here in just a minute. Well, that sticks on there pretty good, doesn't it? All right, everybody. Got the seat patched, as you can see. But the highlight of this whole deal here is I was down at Lake of the Ozarks Bike Fest with Miss Linda, of course. She was with me. And we were down there doing a ride to lunch with the Badgers and supportbikers.com. And the second stop was at the Leprechaun Bar and Grill and Conk's Customs. And there was a couple guys leaving and they had some covers on their bikes. And I know I've seen these covers before. And asked them how they liked them. He said, oh my gosh, he said, we love them. So I ordered a Wind Rider seat cover for my 2020 Harley Davidson Road Glide. And I hope I ordered the right one. It's very simple to order. And they have them for street glides, road glides, all kinds of different bikes. I haven't even taken it out of the bag. It's a pretty neat looking bag, pretty stout. If I can figure this out here. There. And this is the way it gets to you. It's a Wind Rider seat cover. So this is actually my first time opening it, and they actually contacted me and asked me how I liked it, and I said, well, I haven't even done anything with it yet. So I'm guessing it goes on this way, and looks like it's Velcro underneath. And the question I had was, will my rider backrest work with it? And I don't see a slot for my rider backrest, which, to tell you the truth, I was going to leave it off the bike anyway while we take our little weekend trip this weekend down to Big Brutus in southeast Kansas, because I kind of like feeling Miss Linda behind me going down the road. So I'm guessing this logo goes towards the front, like so. And this goes towards the back. If we can get it back there and then get it fastened down. There we go. That's a start. Take that around there. Take this down here like so. Make sure your Velcro straps are in position. There, look at there. All right. We're going to give it a try and see how it works out this week. It's supposed to be like 80 degrees on Saturday and a little cooler on Sunday. And yeah, let me get this thing fastened down. I think I'm getting it. This Velcro is pretty stout, but don't be afraid to pull on it. Looks like it might be a little bit off yet. See if we can get it lined up here. I'm kind of hoping this kind of stretches a little bit, because there's a little bit of stretch there. Hopefully it kind of gets down there to the seat. But in the back, there were straps back here in the back, so I crisscrossed them and joined them with these two. And yeah, and I might loosen these front ones up just to give it a little bit of a give, so it'll actually get down to the surface of the seat. Let me get this thing mounted on the bike here, and I'll sit on it and see how it feels. All right, everybody, got the seat cover on, got the seat back on, and hey, don't drop that little screw that holds the back of the seat down. I was lucky I actually saw it. It was actually dropped down one of my rails here, but yeah. So far, installation okay, not a problem. I'm going to actually probably take the bike out for a little ride. There was actually, I don't think there was actually any instructions in the bag or nothing. It's pretty self-explanatory. That's a big word, isn't it? Yeah. I guess you could go on the website and look, but I haven't even sat on it. What do you think? And somebody's calling. I'll be right back. All right, I got the bags back on, and I think we'll take a ride. What do you think? Yeah, flashback right there. Well, it sure don't take long for the nights to cool off. The sun starts going down, it's getting cool. But yeah, so far it cover feels pretty good. So yeah. It'll stretch, I think. So anyway, thanks for watching. Say hi to a stranger. Thank a veteran. Wave at a freight hauler. We'll see you on the next one, okay? Say bye.